Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can download and import LUTs into CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to any website and download some free LUTs, and I'm just going to start the download. And once you're done, you're just going to compress the file, and you're going to then open CapCut. I think I already have these LUTs, but I'm just going to show you. This one's from a previous video, but anyways, you are going to select a video, for instance, this one per se. Go to the adjustment section, go to LUT. I already have a bunch here, so you're just going to select import, and you're going to select the LUT file. This one I already have, but I'm just going to double click it, and it's going to basically get imported into your page. But that is pretty much it. You can just select the LUT that you want to add and place it on top of your videos like so. You can adjust the strength, and you can also enable skin tone protection if there's people in your video. You can also adjust the temp and whatnot. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!